Hello, today's read is about yes and no, right? So there are three piles: sunflower, lotus, and lily. So you got to choose only one flower so that you can get the answer that you got to like whatever question or query you are having, the answer I'll be letting you know that whether you should go ahead or not. So three piles: sunflower, lotus, and lily. Accordingly, pick up the pile. So we will be going for the sunflower pile right now, right? Five of Wands, Knight of Wands, and Eight of Pentacles. I suppose you want to inquire about, uh, you know, related to work, related to change of job, change of place, related to work, right? Because you're not getting any growth in current scenario. So and there is a more of the competition right now and more of the politics right now for against you. I can sense some kind of a politics for you in your at your workplace right now. So if you want to have a change in your workplace or something like this, just let me have one, you know, advice cards also along with it. See, you are making a move because there are two knights. I can see that one is Knight of Swords and one is Knight of Wands. So you are making a move whether I say yes or no, but my answer is right now to wait. To wait for this thing. It is something like this, like uh, right now the answer is big no. Right now the answer is big no. To be very honest, I would recommend you to wait for the right time to come to approach to you. Then only you take a decision. Right now, my answer is big no for a time being, but it might change after some time. But right now, if you like want to take some kind of a decision related to your work or whatever or money, my answer will be hold on. Is no for right now, but in coming time we will be checking it up again. So then we will see, because 8 number generally prescribes to wait, and there were two nights. So I would ask you to wait. Don't rush, otherwise you will be in some kind of a mess, right? So this is your read. I'm sorry, my diamond has attacked. First of all, my Jackie has attacked, now my diamond has attacked. Okay, so this was your read. If you like it, then do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So here's another read. The people who have chosen this lotus, beautiful pink color. Answer yes or no. Seven of Wands, the Fool, and the Page of Swords. Hmm. I think you are taking some kind of a decision in a very kiddish mode. You are not thinking pros and cons of this thing, and it's something very like some you got inspired with someone's words or something. You are changing some kind of a life track or something. You are changing some kind of uh, track of your life just because that someone has provoked you to do that. Someone has, you just got so inspired by watching someone's growth. You are just like feeling like that, okay, you will be rising at top or something very soon, following that person's footstep. But my dear, my answer is big no. Just wait for your turn to come. This is not your turn to come. And in coming days and coming months, I will, next month I'll be taking this read again, and then I'll be letting you know what to do, right? But as far as right now, in February or something, March first week, my answer is big no, that you should not take this decision right now. All right, so take care and God bless you. So the last pile, whomsoever have chosen this beautiful lily, right? This is for them. The moon, three of cups, and the world. You wanted to do something along with others. Like, if I think your one few friends or two more friends of yours, you trio has decided to do, so you start a setup of yours and something like this together. And you know and but my answer is no, don't start up right now, because this is not a correct. I'm very sorry for all the three piles. The answer has been no for all the three piles. So the my answer is big no. Don't start right now. If you are starting some kind of a new venture, or if you are uh, conjuncting with someone to start some new venture, the answer is no, because you will be faced with some kind of a backstabbing and backbiting, because right now you are not aware of all the pros and cons. Don't rely on others that the other person has been knowing all the pros and cons, and you also, like, confident on that person. Don't be confident on that person, because your good time you're going through will end if you get into this conjunction of three, right? So don't jump right now, but after a while, just whenever you'll come to know about all the pros and cons, then you can jump. But right now, I think till mid of the March, don't jump. After mid of the March, you can see. I'll be taking a read again, hopefully before that. If not, but after the mid of the March, you can take up this decision for the positive note, because by the time you will also be coming to know about all the shades of this deal whatsoever you are trying to jump into. So right now it's a big no. Okay, so take care and enjoy, and if you liked it, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.